Mijn Iraanse tolk heet Rahman. Hij vertelt dat de meeste Iraniërs Sjiïten zijn. Het Sjiïsme is een stroming binnen de islam met een eigen interpretatie van de Koran en eigen rituelen. Voor Soenieten, wereldwijd de grote meerderheid binnen de islam, is het afbeelden van levende wezens taboe. Sjiïten hebben er geen probleem mee. In de soek van Teheran vind je zelfs portretten van religieuze figuren.
Who is he?
This is the Prophet Muhammad with a volume of Quran in his hand and holding one finger, showing that there is only one God, Allah. So whenever you see a figure like that with a book, that's Muhammad. She says there's a Quran in his hand, so that's the Prophet.
Yeah, yeah. And this?
This is Imam Ali, the first Imam of the Shiites.
So he was Muhammad's son-in-law.
Son-in-law as well as cousin.
What we got here, who would he be? Or she? It's almost like a woman.
This is a he. Actually, recently I've seen this during the last 3-4 years. They said this is the Prophet Muhammad when he was a young person at the age of 17, 18.
In Iran betaalt je de profeet met Khomeini.